Sony has quietly announced the new camera, the Sony FX3A, and as a minor hardware revision to the popular FX3 cinema line camera. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. The Sony FX3A released on May 7, 2025. It's not the Mark II many were anticipating, but rather than update driven primarily by the component availability. The key improvements are the higher resolution LCD screen and the inclusion of a dual battery charger. If you already own an FX3, this likely isn't a compelling upgrade unless the screen resolution is critical for you. The FX3 will be the current model available, offering the same core benefits with a couple of minor modernizations. The most notable changes in upgraded rear LCD screen. The resolution has increased from approximately 1.44 million dots on the original FX3 to about 2.33 million dots. The same high resolution screen found on the FX3. This should offer a noticeably sharper and more detailed image for monitoring and navigating menus. Another update is the inclusion of a more standardized USB-C port, potentially replacing the older USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. This aims to improve compatibility with modern accessories and streamline workflows. Additionally, the FX3A now reportedly ships with a dual battery charger, which is an upgrade from the single slot charger included with the original FX3. On the flip side, some minor features like the infrared remote function and NFC might have been removed, and the FX3A reportedly no longer ships with the USB-C cable of power cord. The core imaging, performance and video features remain the same as the original FX3. This means you still get the excellent full-frame sensor, as Cinetone color science, impressive low-light performance, and up to 4K 120 10-bit internal recording. The Sony FX3A is a minor refresh of the FX3. The price for pre-order around $3,900 US. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.